Are you a hairstylist looking for a smarter, more profitable way to offer hair extensions to your clients? At Aly Babe Hair Extensions, we know how time-consuming and expensive it can be to order extensions for each individual client. Between the color-matching appointments, online orders, and long shipping waits, you could be spending $500 to $1,200 per install, not to mention turning away last-minute bookings because you don't have hair in stock. That's exactly why we created the Aly Babe Wholesale program, to give stylists like you more control, more income, and less stress. Here's how it works. We offer high-quality, 100% human hair extensions that are the same, or better, than the brands you're already using. You'll receive the hair directly from us at wholesale prices, starting as low as $200, which means more profit in your pocket. With on-hand inventory, you can cut out wait times, take more clients, and book same-day installs, giving you a serious competitive edge. And the best part? You'll be able to resell the hair to your clients, allowing you to profit from both the product and the service. Our program is flexible and stylist-friendly. We offer 5 different wholesale packages, all customizable based on your clientele, your budget, and the types of installs you offer. This is more than just hair. This is a full business opportunity. Whether you're a booth renter, salon owner, or mobile stylist, Aly Babe Hair Extensions can help you grow your brand, build trust with your clients, and increase your income. Don't just install great hair. Own the experience. Own the inventory. Own your success. Join the Aly Babe Wholesale program today and start building the hair extension business you've always dreamed of.